with just your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create an international TikTok account that has the Creativity Future Meta program in all countries. As you all know, there are only few countries that have the TikTok Creativity program, which is the US, the UK, France, Germany, Brazil, Japan and Korea, which means countries that are not listed right here does not have the Creativity TikTok program. Now, what this actually means is that your TikTok will be monetized just the way we have it on YouTube. Now, TikTok pays for every 1,000 views you have on your video. Now, for you to have this creativity program on your TikTok, that means you'll be able to earn for every 1,000 views you have on your TikTok, which means you get paid $1 for every 1,000 views you have on your TikTok account once your account has this creativity feature on it. Now, what are the requirements? The requirement is that you must have at least 10,000 followers on your TikTok account, and you must have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and you must be 18 years of age. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an international TikTok account and how you can actually place withdrawal on your account to PayPal or any means of withdrawals you want to use on your account. Let's get right into the video. But before we get right into the video, please help like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can push out this video to more people that are interested in videos like this. Now, there are several ways you can create an international TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to show you the one you're going to be creating without a VPN. Now, the first thing you need to create is an Gmail account. Now, to create a Gmail account on your phone, all you have to do is to come right where it says add another account. Now, where you want to go to is the Google. Once you click on Google, it's going to bring you over to an interface where you have to enter a new Google account. It's going to bring you over to this interface where you have to come down to where it says create account. Now, you're going to be coming where it says create account. Now, you can go ahead creating a personal account or a business account. Just choose any one, and it's going to bring you over to an interface like this. Follow the prompt just to create a new Gmail account. But better still, you can use an existing Gmail account for this TikTok creation. Now, after you might have created your Gmail account, the next thing you want to do right now is to open your TikTok app. Now, when you get to your TikTok app, you're going to be seeing under this particular interface that says by continuing with an account located in. Now, under this particular interface, just go ahead to click on Nigeria, and you're going to be brought into this interface. Now, come right here and enter the United Kingdom. So right now, you're going to be selecting the United Kingdom. Now, the reason why you're selecting the United Kingdom or the United States or any acceptable countries that are eligible for the TikTok creativity now is that once you select this particular country and you go ahead creating your account is going to have the TikTok creativity program on it. Now, the reason is that once you actually click on Nigeria, you're going to be changing this particular country to the preferred country that accepts the TikTok creativity program. Now, once you create your account, you're going to be seeing the pound sign. Now, that pound sign shows that your TikTok is eligible for the creativity program. Once you are still having the dollar sign, that means your account is still yet to be in the TikTok creativity program. Now, all you have to do is to follow what I just showed you and select the United Kingdom, the US or the Korea, any of which you actually want to go for, but I advise you go for the United Kingdom so as to have easy access when it comes to withdrawal using PayPal. Okay, now to place a withdrawal on your TikTok account, all you actually need is a verified PayPal account. I have made a detailed video on how you can actually create a UK PayPal account on your own and actually link your PayPal account down to your TikTok account so you can be able to place withdrawal anytime you actually get to the withdrawal threshold on TikTok. If you actually want me to create an international TikTok for you, kindly go down and comment that, and I'll be glad to give you replies on what you need to know about it. There are so many ways you can actually create the international TikTok account, but this particular way I just showed you is the best and easiest way to use your smartphone to create an international TikTok account in less than 5 minutes. There are so many other ways. If you actually want me to make videos on these other ways, kindly go down below this video and type in TikTok creativity, and I'll be making a video if I actually get a total number of comments regarding this. And so that is all you have to know about creating an international TikTok account here in Nigeria. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.